Crypto, metaverse, stocks, NFTs, everything is exploding right now. In today's world, everybody's looking for the quick buck, not realizing that in that gold rush, only 20% max actually make money, while the remaining 80% lose all of it. Hi YouTube, it's Jashi here today with another update on my Fundrise portfolio. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, I'm not an advisor, please talk to a professional when it comes to financial advice. For those who don't know, Fundrise is a platform that was created for young, wannabe real estate investors for them to get into real estate with as little as $10. What it basically does, it takes your money and divides it across many rental properties across the whole US. In my case, for example, my whole portfolio is divided across 360 properties. I don't own all of them outright at 100%. I only own little percentages of every single properties, but I also get the equivalent percentage return back in rent and appreciation. So let's jump right to it. So 2 weeks ago, we were at $33,500. We add another 400 plus bucks and another $70 in returns right here. So in my last Fundrise portfolio update, I told you that I officially passed the daily $3 dividend mark, which is very good news. I'm now making an average of $3 plus a day. And if we go on this section here, you also notice that we added another property to my investment portfolio. If we want to go more into the details, we added a new apartment development in Palm Bay, Florida, right here for $6.02 million. I wish it was all mine, but no, it's divided among many other investors like me. So I believe that by the end of the year, we should be around $34,500. And again, I'm satisfied with the platform. Now, maybe yielding less return than my active real estate properties, but it's all hands off. So I'm making money without moving a finger. The only thing I have to do is at the end of the year, when I prepare the taxes, I just gotta submit the forms they give to. So is this a good alternative to real estate investing? To me, it is not an actual alternative. It is a way to get started in it because it enables you to get started with little money and to start understanding how real estate development is, what good properties look like, how the whole process is, how long it takes, and what the returns are. So basically, kind of like a tutorial to get into real estate. On top of that, you're also making a little money. Now, am I planning to pull the money out at one point? Actually, no. I would like this to become kind of a cash cow in the future when it will get to 6+ figures. So for me, this is a really cool platform. Hope this gave you a little insight. Hope this update helped you to understand more about Fundrise. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, please like. Thank you. Ciao.